Hi, my name is Glenn Klecker. This is my son Nathan.
Hi.
I've been an engineer and designer and inventor for about 14 years now, and I've designed a lot of knives and multi-tools that you might be familiar with. I came up with the idea for the Clax last year. Over the last 6 months, I've been designing, developing, prototyping, and testing out the Clax to end up with the 4 versions that we have here today. The Clax is more than an axe. The Clax is a multi-tool built into the head of an axe. It has a lot of useful features: carabiner, thumb jimping, this is the bottle opener, the axe blade, the scraper, lanyard hole, the hammer with a built-in ruler, 5 wrench sizes, and a hex bit driver. The Clax has a lot of useful features like wrenches, hammerhead, and scraper, along with our innovative new clamping system that allows you to take the axe to the field and be able to break it down for easy transport. The Clax is useful for people who are involved in hiking, climbing, camping, survival experts, people who do bushcraft, all sorts of things, including emergency preparedness.
I'm Mike Peel from Mike Peel Logging, Vernonia, Oregon, and I'm a logger. The Clax, it's a great tool. This morning I used it to wedge over a Douglas fir tree, and it did a good job.
This is the Clax Lumberjack. It's our most popular model because it includes all of the features. This is the Clax Woodsman. The Clax Woodsman has the clamping system, carabiner, hammer, the axe blade, but the more rustic version that we've created is called the Clax Feller. The Clax Feller attaches using the paracord bracelet by pulling the paracord out and wrapping it around the handle like you would a tomahawk. This is the Ti Clax. The Ti Clax is a titanium version of the Clax Lumberjack. It is our top-of-the-line model, and it includes all of the features, plus it has blue anodized highlights, and it comes weighing in at half of the weight of the Feller. That's why the Ti Clax is our top-of-the-line model. We've backed 24 projects on our own already. We're reaching out to you, the Kickstarter community, to see if you'll help us by backing us to get the Clax out there.
Clax!
Thanks for watching. We appreciate your support.
Clax, more than an axe.